Order canceled.
Shoot, no sound on YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Whenever I get set up really quickly, I always miss something. So I apologize. I apologize, YouTube. You guys should be able to hear me now. So if someone could just confirm, that would be great. All right, so the chop zone is good. The LIS is good. I have ESYM RTY set up. ES and YM are already red, which is good. I have them in timeout.
Order filled.
Thanks, Bruce, for letting me know. You're the reason why I noticed. So after Ninja gets funded, then you pay for the $12. This is all in the informational email. Then you pay the $12 market data. Then you, if you haven't already gotten the lease or the lifetime of NinjaTrader, you need to do that, and then you're ready to go. If you're doing VPS, then you need to get VPS going, because VPS can take 4 or 6 hours to get built for you. I'm going to show you right here. And then, so this is all in the email. It's right here. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's all here. Once your account is funded, purchase the lease of the lifetime. Sign up for VPS. And then you can sign up for the algorithm. So it's all there, step by step. Just follow the email that was originally sent to you, and you won't be strayed away.
Order submitted.
Hey,
Order
hi.
canceled.
How are you? Sorry I'm typing so much. Let's see how quickly that the fast just kind of did its own thing. It was green, $700 a few minutes ago, and then it just had some losing trades. All right, so we're down below the chop zone. It left the chop zone around 6 a.m., so if you're up early, you could have had a good opportunity. This is a really strong level here, 11,899. Okay, perfect. I'm glad the sound is better. Sorry, guys. All right, so the market's going to open in 3 minutes. Nothing going on right now. I don't think I'm going to run the crazy. I can turn the fast back on in a little bit. Again, guys in the group, please don't, Eli, I know you're on the stream because you just asked me a question. Please don't DM me while I'm on the live because then I end up just typing a bunch more. And the typing really can annoy some people, and I get it because it's super loud and clicky. So please hold questions until I'm done the live stream, and then I will respond to you after that. Because if not, I get really distracted, and then I just end up responding because I have a problem with not responding. I don't know, Shushi, you would have to determine that because I've never used one before, but I think mine's the best because on top of just getting a system that works for you, you also get me, which is someone who works, no joke, 20 hours a day. I'm always answering questions. I'm always, I have an admin. It's me, myself, and it's me, my admin, and then I have another employee. So it's 3 of us that are in the group at all times, answering questions, helping you get set up. I'm always trying to test new products and new setups, so I'm always keeping things fresh and kind of up to date with the market, because if you buy something that's automated and somebody just says, oh, this is a plug and go for the rest of your life, that's a lie, because the market changes all the time, especially every few months. So if you don't have someone constantly finding new settings or saying, this is for a volatile market, this is for a trending market, this is for a choppy market, then you don't have someone really working for you and keeping you with the best setups. So that's how I think I stand out from other people and other services, because I am always looking. If something's not working, I'm always looking to improve it. I'm always looking to change things when the market changes. I have 165 members. You can't get NinjaTrader on your phone, correct? Unless you have VPS, NinjaTrader will not be on your phone. NinjaTrader will not be on a Mac computer. So if you sign up and you're using the algorithm, you simply just turn it on and go about your day. You don't have to do anything else. All right, the market just opened. I'm going to turn fast back on just for fun. What did I have for breakfast? I don't eat breakfast. I made some tea, but I haven't had it yet. So I hope that answers your question. What was a major concern? Major concern. The dramatics. It has to be, or you're talking about the phone thing or the Mac thing? It has to be on NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is the only platform it works on. Oh, see, this isn't going to work now. You can change the algorithm as more. Oh, yes. Yeah, it's a good thing to discuss, John, for sure. Yeah, the market changes all the time. Like Q4 of last year is nothing like Q4 of this year. And I'm very aware of kind of like, what the market's doing, how it's looking, because at the end of all this, I'm a manual trader when it comes down to it. I'm not just someone coding an algorithm. I manually trade. I've manually traded for futures for over 7 years and stocks for over 20 years, so. All right, I got that fixed, so that's good. How long have you been in business? Since, what month was that? April of 2020. So coming up on 3 years, which is exciting. Hello, I'm not sure if you're trying to answer my question, but I was wondering about the process for the Mac. Yeah, so you can't use, Brandon, you can't use NinjaTrader on Mac. You have to purchase a VPS. The VPS is discussed, we're in a long here. The VPS is discussed in the email. Greg just said this group is amazing. Just joining this week, and I'm 4 of 4. This is real. And Anthony's in the chat. Jen's in the chat. How much do you need to start? Yeah, the minimum to start is $3,000 in your trading account. Oh, 2 for 2, Anthony. Sorry, you had ES on too. Yeah, so manually trading futures and algorithmically trading futures are 2 totally different things. So if you want, John, you could start with the digital mentorship. I find that this is actually easier for people because then it shows you how the market's working and what to look for. And then when the algo takes a trade, you can be like, oh yeah, this is super legit because I see this and this and this, and this is what Lauren taught me, blah, blah, blah. So this is this trade right here. It's guaranteed green. You can see the purple line has moved itself up. So John, the digital mentorship is $1,000 one-time fee, and you get 1 free month in the group as well. So you'll be in the group with the people manually trading as well as algorithmically trading, and you can talk to them and you can see their results and stuff like that. So, sometimes that's the better route for people. And if it is, then, and if you want more information or you have questions about that, you can email me again. I know you and I have been emailing for a while. So, yeah. Yeah, this is the fast setup. I don't typically run it. But it is something that I think you could run from the open for, 15 or 20 minutes. I've been using NinjaTrader since 2020. There's Lamborghini. He's in the group. He's been in the group for 4 days, and he's green every single day that he's been here. Hey, Noaz, how are you? Good morning, good morning. Please give a thumbs up if you're on YouTube. If you're in TikTok, please tap the screen, send some hearts. Much appreciated. This looks really cool. Oh, thanks, Andy. It is cool. It's kind of fun. It is fun. So YM isn't along, as well as this NQ. Again, we had like a pretty significant move down here. Don't really like the longs, but we're trying to catch those counter trends, so we'll see if it works or not. Overnight, this setup was green $775, something like that. We haven't had any trades on conservative NQ or RTY yet. Those are over here off to my other screen. Right here. RTY is on the bottom. And this is YM and ES. Florida, I already answered you. I was saying only YM and ES, which I don't have on my live account today. So those don't really matter. Pinoy, I don't know if you heard my answer, but the minimum to start is $3,000 in your trading account. The market's just been dropping all day. Yeah. Yesterday was like that too. Hey, Scrumpy dude. We were waiting for this yesterday all day. So, and sometimes I like to toot my own horn, but all day we were stuck in this kind of sideways action, and this level was holding the entire day. It's 11,980. I posted it on my story and on Instagram and on TikTok. But if you're in my group, all I did was talk about this level all morning. I was like 11,980, 11,980. We need to break it. And then we finally broke it here, and then it just freaking plummeted. It was beautiful. The algorithm caught that on MNQ, so my members on the micros did well. I do not use MetaTrader 4. This is NinjaTrader, and NinjaTrader is also my broker. Where are we at? Yes, you can do on NinjaTrader. They allow you to have a max loss per day, a max loss per week, and they also have a max profit. So say if you put a max profit for 500 and you were in this overnight, which I said made $700 overnight. So if you were in this overnight and, ooh, look at this trade. Where was I during all of this? Oh, I think I put one of these on my TikToks. So you can see like this short and this long. You would have made more than, so as soon as you make $500, it would have turned off the algorithm and you wouldn't have taken any other trades. So this was at 7 p.m. Oh, this one I missed, but this one I got. This is the one I put on TikTok last night, and it made, I think, like $550, something like that. So yes, you can control that. Hey, Amber, how are you? Sheldon, this is fast. Thanks for the like, Scrumpy dude. This is fast. Oh, wait, we're in a trade over here on, oh, well, YM. YM is long again. This NQ is long as well. Which one do you guys want to watch? They're both kind of boring. Honestly. This is YM. I don't know what this is. Awake, LOL. Exactly. It's like you have your own little minions. This is kind of boring. YM's on this long, but YM's already read like 400 anyway. This is a boring open. Super boring. Is someone speaking right now? I don't really care about those people, but it seems like maybe yesterday they were affecting the market. All right, so YM's green 200 here. YM is on simulation today, so don't really care what it's doing. But it's fun to watch, so. Nice job, Billy. See, my students are so strong. So this is the private student corner, and Billy this morning was like, do you think the LIS is good? And like, look how perfect that was. And this is the level that I give my members, and if you're in my digital mentorship, I teach you how to find it. And then Nick said I caught the short for a nice 500, and then look at this again. He took advantage of all that. Like, my students are the best. They're so smart. I love seeing them succeed. What do you mean a level like that? How much money? Yeah. I don't know what that means. $11,800. Oh. What do you mean nobody can sell under it? We sold it yesterday, but it took forever to come to fruition. Like, it was just hanging out all day. 11,980. Hey, Mark. Good morning. I hope you're doing well. Really kind of a quiet morning, which is unlike the algorithm, but it is what it is. I need Justin. It is, isn't it? I'm finally sipping my tea. 30 minutes later. How many hours a day do I have to invest in learning and trading to be successful? It depends. You could use an automated system like this. Oh, let's show range yesterday. So range yesterday, also we've updated it, now has a 400 tick target. This hit both targets yesterday, and so did ES right here. Also, there's something to be said for that. No, I never run MES, Amber. Amber, this is regular ES. I don't ever run micros, ever. Either I run something or I don't, but it's always going to be the mini. I always run the mini. So this is ES, and this is NQ. And what we need to keep an eye on is what we discussed last night, and I'm going to have Justin be putting it in the group. I'm going to have Justin put it in the group every hour if we find that to be super significant. If it's just like clearly very high above or very low below the level that we're speaking of, then we can kind of just leave it as it is, kind of thing. Yeah, I scooped out the other. The NinjaTrader approval process is typically really quick. I had someone get approved on a Sunday in like 3 minutes. And he was actually kind of freaked out. He's like, what? Nick just said shorted for another $500. The digital mentorship is beyond amazing. Like, he just paid for his digital mentorship in 2 trades this morning. Awesome job, Nick. So proud of you. So proud. And this is the private student corner. So if you're a digital mentorship or a one-on-one student, you get access to this. But if you're not, then you don't. So something to just keep in mind. It's given to you if you're a student, and it gives you it gives you access to all of these people that have been with me since 2020, that trade really well, that are really strong traders. Yeah, no, some people, typically it did take 24 to 48 hours, but I don't know. That one guy got approved in 3 minutes, and that was on a Sunday, which was so weird to me. Oh, yeah, sure. Just email me, at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Sometimes it seems like foggy, and sometimes it doesn't. So my next level below is 11,744. boldbotllc@gmail.com. Thanks for the follow. I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. Thanks for the 21 likes on YouTube. I appreciate it. If you're on TikTok and you can tap that screen, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, Andy did the same thing. Andy made $1,100. He's off to work. Jen, I think, has the flu, so she's going back to bed. But she made $2,900. I'll pull that into the screen here. So this was Dean from yesterday. He made $8,700. Jen this morning, she's a one-on-one student. She made $2,900. Andy made $1,100. Congrats, Andy. And this is typically what we see. People posting results by 9:45, 9:50, who are students of mine that have taken advantage of the market at the open. If we have the means to invest more than 3K, what do you recommend? 10K or more, for sure. How do I get more info? Yep. So Callie, dude, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com and my admin will email you back. Should I use scalper settings? Oh, screenshot things. No, Steven, I'm not going to do it on the live stream because there's a whole bunch of free people on here. Don't worry. You can, I will look at yours when I get off the live stream at 10:30. Don't worry. Or you can send it to Irma. But you should just be following the spreadsheet. All you need to do is follow the spreadsheet. And I see at first glance you don't have the trail box checked. Like, that is a big thing. I wonder why people keep missing that. I feel like I'm going to need to add a column that just says trail box, yes or no. Like, if you have values in the trail section, you have to have the box checked. If you don't have the box checked, the algorithm can't use the information you have below it because it's literally just a computer. It's only doing what you tell it to do. So if you don't tell it to use a trail, the numbers below are going to be insignificant and they're not going to matter. Does that make sense? Poor Jen. Feel better, Jen. All right. I'm starting to save up. Oh, sounds good. Yeah, Roland, did you get approved within 48 hours? That's what you're saying? I turned the fast off. It was just kind of boring at this point. I don't have the crazy on either. Sometimes I'll have the crazy on. Let me just write to the group really quickly. I was approved in 48 hours, working on the final touches to join. Sounds good, Henderson. Yep. So once your account is funded, then you just need to pay the $12 market data and either get the lease or the lifetime. If you get the lifetime subscription of NinjaTrader, then I have a $100 refund kind of discount to give you. So make sure you reach out once you join the group and I'll give you that information. But yeah. Yes. There is software training, Scrap and Happy. We also hold a new member Zoom call like once every 2 weeks. So you can ask any questions you have. We can go through anything that maybe you're unsure of. But yes, when you join the group, you're given step-by-step videos on how to get everything set up. And in those videos, they do go over most of the things that you're going to need on NinjaTrader. Obviously, if you have a question about something else, like how do I draw a level or how do I draw the chop zone like this, that's given in the group as well, or we could just answer it the time that you have that question. So yeah. Hope that makes sense. Okay, good, because I got the lifetime. Oh, yeah. So, Henderson, definitely email me. I'll give you the $100 refund discount thing that NinjaTrader lets me give to my members. And that will, at least help a little bit. Lauren, I have an accident that... Oh. Okay, Mark, I hope you're okay. Not sure what's going on. Are you driving and moderating? Yeah, no US 30. US 30 is going to be, what I always forget, YM? YM? Yeah, Jay Hood, you're right. I don't know if it was you, somebody emailed me about that yesterday. I haven't had that many, but yeah. I hope you're okay. Yeah, NinjaTrader is the only platform you can use. Correct. You cannot use any other platform. The Algo only works on NinjaTrader. You can use another broker. I typically suggest not to because sometimes there's some issues like... I don't trade MNQ, but no, there's been no NQ trades this morning. Are you short? I don't know. I don't even know what's going on here. It's 10 o'clock. Today might be a day to just kind of end the stream early. See? Look. So this is where the confusion comes in. Sobo just said, I got approved in 2 minutes last night. Which is exactly going along. And then some people, it's taking 24 to 48 hours. Other people, they're getting approved in 2 and 3 minutes. That's crazy. Didn't I say Wednesday? What did I say? All right, so some people are getting filled. Yeah, no, I'm not in any trades. If I'm in a trade, I'll definitely show you, but I'm not in any trades. So slow, right? Like it looks like the candle's not even moving. Something's definitely about to come out soon. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna have that in the group. I'm typing over here. Go to the mall and get a foot massage. Oh, Amber, that sounds great. I might do that. All right, I'm probably going to get off this live stream. I feel like I'm not giving any good information because the market is so slow and there's nothing going on. Okay, Steven, good. How much is the commission per contract? COMISSION. It's around $4 round trip. Cop car, I would say either Apex or Lilu. I'm hurting cats. Okay, perfect. Now I need to send him these questions. All right. I hate cats. All right, I'm going to get off here. It's pretty freaking boring. We should probably have some trades later on range NQ and range ES. We will see. If not, then it's going to be an ultra boring day. And that happens sometimes, so it is what it is. I'm not going to force trades on a day that is so boring like this. It's 10:06. I'll be back tomorrow at 9:15. Maybe we'll get a bit more action tomorrow. I hope you guys have a good Wednesday. Stay safe. Try not to get the flu. I heard it's super nasty this year. And drink your vitamin C. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for all the likes, and I appreciate you joining. And talk soon. If you have questions, as always, email me boldbotllc@gmail.com. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye. All right, YouTube. I'm going to get off of here. Sorry again about no voice at the beginning. I just answered you. $4 to $5 round trip. All right. You guys, thanks for joining. Have a great day. Let me insert this really quickly. I like doing that. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining.